Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to show you how we can manage the timeline of our game. Imagine we can say we can have an object with this movement, and whenever we want, we can say, okay, let's reverse the movement exactly like the timeline of the video. We can have a timeline for our game. Okay, let's take a look at this. Useful and beautiful plugin, which is Citron X released this project 7 months ago. It's called Unity Time Rewinder, and as you can see here, you can say, okay, let's move in this action or move the scroll back, and it reversed every movement in our scene. Okay, for having this feature, you just need to download the project, and after you downloaded this, you can use the project, or even you can import this rewinder to your project. I will share the link of this plugin in the description of this video. Okay, after you imported it, as you can see, there is 3 folders, time rewinder, and it was in 2 example scenes. If we take a look at this first scene, it has this slider and this cube is moving, but I can pause it and move it back to reverse all movements and continue. Okay, what we have is just a clock slider, this guy, time slider, which has rewind manager, and this guy is just an object. This cube has generic rewind. This component helps us to store the all actions or parameters. But which parameters? First, track transform, for example, position, rotation, scale, and track velocity, track animator, track IDU, track particles. So if we check on these parameters, it's try to store these parameters of your object during the timeline. For example, I want to add a new object here and say something like this. Okay, and I'm adding an object which has a rigid body. Add this guy. Okay, it's the right position. And now I'm adding rigid body. Excellent. And the same with this cube. I want to add this parameter, generic rewind as well. Copying this component and paste here. Okay, just transform the velocity. And now, look at this. The sphere is moving. And now, all actions have been stored. Even it can store the animation. If you take a look at this example scene, this dinosaur has several animations. Now one by one I play them. For example, rise up, okay, and try to move. Okay, now I'm holding the space button. Look at this, to reverse the animation. And if we take a look at this example, it has particles, sorry, it has particles, and these particles, look at this cube and this flame. Yes, these are the flames. And now I'm playing the scene. Excellent. And now I'm holding. Look at this. Try to reverse the particles. Exactly like this. Okay. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.